We're writing flashcards today. Here are the 3 Anki add-ons that I use in medical school. I used in GCSEs and A-levels that got me A star, A, and all 9s in my sciences. We're not going to be messing about too much because there's no need to. Anki, for those of you who don't know, it's a fantastic website. It is free to download on the web. I recommend it a lot. And it's basically a flashcard website that forces you to do flashcards using active recall and spaced repetition. Without further ado, let's load it up. So, we're on our Anki now, and ignore all of mine here. So I'm going to make a new deck. So when you make a new deck, you do create deck. Pretty simple. Let's call it video. Okay, we've made the new deck video. Let's go into video. You add a deck up here, add. Okay, now it comes onto this screen here. There are 3 cards we're going to talk about today. These are the only ones you need. I'll mention a few others, but these are the best ones. Basic and reversed, and image occlusion enhanced. Okay, so basic is literally what it says on the tin. So you put a question on one side, answer on the other. For example, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer is mitochondria. Ignore that red bit. Okay, so you go into this, press enter, study. Okay, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer mitochondria. Easy. Okay, right, let's add some more then. That's basic for you, the most simple one. Basic and reversed I really liked. I use this a lot for A-levels and I use it in med school now. Basic and reversed is, it makes 2 cards for the price of 1. So an example might be, what antibiotic is given for community-acquired pneumonia, so CAP? Answer is going to be amoxicillin. Okay, so you press enter, and then you look at your cards. Right, so the first one, what antibiotic given for community-acquired pneumonia? Simple, it's going to be amoxicillin. But look what else it's made. Amoxicillin is given. What is amoxicillin given for? Other side of the card now, for community-acquired pneumonia. So that makes 2 cards for the price of 1. I love that feature a lot. That's basic and reversed. Another one I'm going to do now is image occlusion enhanced. So image occlusion enhanced makes tons of cards within a matter of seconds. So it's really good for learning diagrams. So if we're going to learn a diagram, let's open up some Google and let's get image of, let's say, the spleen. Okay, image of the spleen. Do this and do. We need like. Let me flip it out because it's kind of complicated. But yeah, let's do this one here. Okay, so you copy and paste this here. What's done? You now go back to your Anki deck. You click this little icon here, and you go onto the one of the spleen. So. Click on the icon, open up the spleen one. It's going to take you to a different page. So here, it's got this little drag box here. You cover the areas you want flashcards on. So right lobe of liver, left lobe of liver, spleen, pancreas, jejunum, all these things are going to cover up. And then you basically click always hide all, guess one. Ignore the other feature. 6 cards have been added. Press exit. Yes, you want to quit that bit. Press exit on this bit. Let's study them. So first bit, the box in red is the one that's asking me the question. This is going to be the right lobe of the liver. There you go. The box here is going to be the liver. Next one, the left lobe of the liver. And all these are the ones that are covered up. This is going to be the spleen. Next one is going to be the pancreas. Next one is going to be the jejunum. Okay, so that's kind of how you do them. And this is a great way of adding. Look how many flashcards I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a matter of just like seconds like that. So I've given a very basic way how to use image occlusion enhanced. You can do it for textbooks, for diagrams, take pictures from your phone and make it. The sky is the limit with image occlusion enhanced. I love this feature. I'm going to show a few more features just in case you like it. The other only good one that Anki has is one called close. I hate close, but some people do like it, so I'll show it anyway. Close is installed on Anki, and close works by getting rid of parts of a sentence, and then that's this area you have to answer. So for example, you might say the mitochondria, so you do open brackets, mitochondria, then go outside of it, is the powerhouse of the cell. And then the answer is going to be obviously mitochondria. You press command and enter, study it. So the what is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer is going to be the mitochondria. Press enter, the mitochondria. Sorry, my font is so bad. Like I need to clean this background. But yeah, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and that's your answer. So they're the 4 features I strongly recommend using on Anki. Aside from that, I don't recommend any others. All the other ones are such nonsense. The one thing I should mention is image occlusion enhanced is an external plugin. Image occlusion is what Anki has. It's a bit rubbish because, as you noticed on my image occlusion enhanced, it covered up all of the other ones, whereas image occlusion just covers up one of the grids. So I recommend image occlusion enhanced, where you do hide all, guess one, and all the other ones you don't even need to bother learning. But the best ones are basic and reversed, and image occlusion enhanced. I'll plug below how to install image occlusion enhanced for you. If you want more help on things like flashcards and studying, join my free school community, link in bio. Okay, and that is everything. So if you found that useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to someone who needs to see this, someone who is dossing about, and someone who is behind in their exams. And as always, thank you for watching.